Sibley Park here. It's right up over that ridge there. This is the Minnesota River, and actually the Minnesota River's right there. The Blue Earth flows into the Minnesota, and I just live up the Blue Earth about 6-7 blocks up the river. They merge together and have some pretty good fishing, and right over those ridges where you see the water kind of streaming over, just behind that is a big pit in the water, and that's where my dad almost drowned one day. And he was swimming across, got sucked in by the undercurrents, and next thing he knows he was being pulled up by the hair from somebody. But there's a campground over there, Land of Memories. That's where Danielle used to run cross country, and where Becky just got done camping. Beautiful weather today, mid-70s, light breeze, blue sky. Just a beautiful, beautiful day. I'm trying this new spot down here. I've had a few good bites, but nothing yet. And hopefully I will soon. So I thought I'd give you a view. Hopefully I was gonna capture some eagles, because a lot of eagles nest around here, but none are flying today. But it's beautiful down here. Beautiful day. And we will see how we do. So I will hopefully turn this back on later. Bye. Hopefully it's a cat. Oh, not big if it is. Well, who knows? Oh yeah, nice cat. Nice catfish. Beautiful. Beautiful cat. Beautiful cat. Good looking catfish. Yeah. Off so I can get them in the water, and cool. It looks like I even still have all my bait. So that's usually a miracle. That's usually a miracle. Okay. Yeah, it's a pretty nice one, I think. Beautiful looking one. Get them rinsed off here so you can see them better. Oh, he came right off the hook, too. Beautiful looking cat, isn't it? Beautiful. Those things are sure pretty. Cool. I'd say he's probably about 2 pounds. Cool. Alrighty, one fish. One more to go actually, because I got 3 at home. And we'll see. It seems bigger than that first one. That's what I'm hoping. At least. Oh yeah, he's not moving a lot. Oh yeah, come on, be a big one. Be a big one. I hardly had any liver on this one. Okay, come on. Come on. I can see my other fish in the water. I don't know if you can. Oh, go figure, I snagged a snapping turtle. Oh, well, that's fun anyhow. Looks like I snagged him by the front foot. off. And actually, hey, look, I can find my pliers right away. Yeah, he's not a keeper. I'll try to find my, yeah, here's my scale. And we'll see how big he is. But I'm not going to keep him. Too close to going. He looks like he's about 9 inches, a little over 9 inches. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna have to flip them over. There. There we go. That'll help. Boy, he sure wants to snap at me. You see his head moving like it is. There. Good. Got him off real easy. They are kind of pretty. Look at those claws on that. They can really rip you open, I guess. Well, see you later, dude. Bye. We will see what it is. I think it's more of a cat than a... Seems the napping turtle will love that liver too. It's like a 50-50 what I get. Yeah, he's not going to be as big. Maybe about the same size as the one I got right now. We'll see. Whoa. Whoa. Ooh, nice cat. Nice cat. Look at him. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful cat. Nice size. Well, that's going to end my fishing for the day. Really nice cat. Definitely bigger than the other one, and he came in a lot better. That was easy. Let's get him on the stringer, and then I'll weigh and measure them both. Yeah, a much bigger cat. Quite the difference. You hear him? Yeah, you can go back in the water in a minute because it's time to go anyhow because I've got my fish. This one is... Stay still, buddy. It's 18 inches. It's a really nice sized cat. Let's see what he weighs. This is the best luck I ever had down here at Sibley Park. As a kid, all I ever caught was carp, and he's about 3 pounds. And we'll see what this one is. About 14 3/4. And looks like about 2 pounds. Yeah, that's a beautiful cat. Beautiful, beautiful. Good size. As you can see by my hand, it's definitely, well, it's at least the length of my forearm, so yeah. To me, they're such pretty fish. Well, let them do a little swimming while I get my stuff packed up, and I will leave. Good day. See ya.